cooking day. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this, roll it up into 5 rolls in tinfoil, roll it up in tinfoil, take a fork, poke some holes in the bottom of it, take this, set rolls on middle oven rack, set this underneath it, puts water in there, so it's gonna kind of steam, it's gonna kind of drop, out of the holes. We're gonna cook it at 325 degrees, 90 minutes, and then we'll be ready to go. Take about 1/5 of it, let's say. 2 inches or so, about like that. Rolls, you could do 6, 7, whatever, 4. I just like to make sure it's going to kind of fit within the pan, so it doesn't. This is going to, out of these holes, is going to drip down into the pan. And then what I'll do with this, that's about 1 inch deep. I'll probably cover, maybe a 1/2 inch of water once I get this in the oven. So these will be sitting up above this, and then they'll drip out of the holes, and it'll steam up through the water and hopefully keep it a little moist. And we'll do it at 325 for 90 minutes. I'll get back on when we're done so you can see what the finished product looks like. All right, so we got the final product. Before you take it out of the oven, kind of shake it over the pan, because it's still gonna drip a little bit. There it is. That's the hamburger sausage. And some crackers and cheese, or nothing at all. So one thing I forgot to mention, you do 325 for 90 minutes, then you turn the oven off, then you just crack the door. Oven off, crack the door, let it sit for another 30 minutes. And it's ready to go. And then I like to cut it up, put it in a bag, cool. That way any steam that comes off of it will stay in the bag and it'll keep moist.